The 2022 Nissan Pathfinder front clip. This one's in the pre-wrap stage. This one's freighting out of here. If you're picking up and not having freight, this is what it will look like when you show up. If you are having it freighted, see my other videos. You'll find out exactly how we do it. It won't be this particular front, but you'll get a real good idea. So this is what's included with a front clip. Everything you see out here. This one's in excellent condition overall. Get you under the hood, you can take a look in just a second. So you can see all the splash shields and the airbox, everything is in here loosely. We'll take it out, double check everything before we ship it. If you're picking it up, might be a good idea, of course, to bring straps and padding. We don't provide any padding. Make sure you've got plenty of room. These things are huge, weigh about 1,200 pounds. Rad condenser fans, everything in there like normal. Cowl cover, fender liners. It's all there. If you have any questions, 800-222-2528. My direct extension's 112. Thanks.